Hello y'all, I'm going to demonstrate my PAL Commodore 64 we got here from Jacoby out in Sweden. The specific demo I'm going to try today would not work on the MSD SD2, so I decided to bust out the VIC 1541 on the test bench and got that hooked into here. To be able to get PAL mode in America, I use this light-on DVD burner, which I'm going to turn on, and turn on the monitor. And then we'll actually make PAL into color. So we're going to fire up the old Commodore. So there we go. This specific demo would not work on a NTSC Commodore, so I thought it was kind of cool, which is the reason why I wanted this Commodore. I downloaded this off the Coliseum BBS. I should have loaded up the $sign and show what was on the disc. I just seen a file name on there that said something demo. I'm like, well, let's give it a try. Actually ended up being a pretty cool demo. So we got the VIC 1541 I repaired. Had to use one of those 6502 chips, which you can't see. But I just ganked it out of another 1541 for testing purposes and brought it back to life. So I figure, why not, man? It looks nice with the VIC 20 and the VIC 41. Why not? So we're done loading here. I'm going to type in run on this lovely keyboard that I made from a Commodore 16 keyboard. Keys work awesome on it. Ooh, that's right, it's called DOTY Demo 2014. So the third one I've tried, I haven't tried the other three yet, but this one here has some neat little graphics on it. Neat SID that, I don't know, whoever did the SID on it was pretty badass, because I haven't really ever heard many SID songs that kind of sounded like this, like DJ style. Awesome scroller. And this will not run on any of those Commodores. So, broke out the PAL Commodore. There's who programmed it. Hell yeah. Pretty awesome stuff though, but in America, it does take one of those to make it happen. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoy it, man. And thanks, David, for the Commodore. And I don't remember where I got that from. And that's one that I repaired. Craigslist ripoff. Got it working after about 2 years of finding the damn drive mechs for it. So thanks for watching, y'all. Hope you enjoyed my PAL Commodore 64.